Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to update PHP versions in WordPress safely and fast. We're going to do this without breaking your live site, which means setting up a staging environment first. If you are using a managed host like Kinsta, the first step is super simple and relates directly to your overall site safety. Go to your My Kinsta dashboard, click on WordPress sites, and select your specific website. Click the search box at the top and select the Create New Environment option to spin up an exact clone of your site. Now that your staging site is ready, step 2 is the actual update. Navigate to that new staging environment. Click on Tools and find the PHP settings card. Click the Change button, select the newest PHP version from the dropdown, and hit Change PHP Settings. It takes about 3 minutes to restart the engine in the background. The final step connects everything together. Testing. Click around your staging site to make sure your theme and plugins are completely compatible with the new PHP version. If you get a white screen or a 500 error, just disable your plugins from the My Kinsta dashboard and turn them back on one by one to find the culprit. Once everything looks perfect and runs smoothly, you simply repeat that exact same PHP update process on your live environment. That is literally it. If this quick video saved you from accidentally crashing your site, please hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to connect this freshly updated website to your Tableau dashboards or Notion workspaces next, and I will see you in the next video.